I have known art my whole life. I think I drew before I could walk. It's always been a really big part of me. My name is Stacy Nguyen. I was born and raised in Hanoi, Vietnam. When I was around 15, I moved to Dallas. With my dad, I just kind of packed my whole life into a suitcase and moved here just for a dream of a better education. We did a self-guided tour my junior year of high school, and we walked around the campus. We went across the art building, and from start to finish, it just always felt like home. My application to UT was completely 2D graphite and marker. And my freshman year of college, I took Core 3D and I caught the sawdust and kind of never looked back. I do a lot of woodworking and welding, and especially fiber art like tufting. The data visualization side of it came from one project I did with data set off of the Austin government website, and that's just been my stride since. A lot of the data I collect is of myself. I've also done an emotion tracking one. I did one on me and my cat, EKG heart waves. The Art Administration Fellowship is a 2-year program. And last summer, I worked at the Visual Arts Center as their project and research assistant. I got to dip my toes into a little bit of everything. I helped enlist donation from local businesses, data sorting. I scanned over 30,000 film negatives on their flatbed scanner. And this summer, I was matched with the Contemporary.
Contemporary Austin is an art museum that holds a variety of contemporary artists, so artists who are living and working today. What we specialize in are giant outdoor installations. I think Stacy having that knowledge and understanding of being a sculptural artist gave a really unique perspective.
I was a part of the education program and got to practice those data visualization skills, helping them with their brochures.
Stacy came in with a lot of skills that we already needed, so she just kind of easily meshed in and fit in really well.
This fellowship has been very beneficial. Not only is it a really good opportunity to network and meet people now from the College of Fine Art to the whole of UT to the whole city of Austin, but also to pick up the hard skills and just equipped my tool belt.
I hope she achieved everything she wanted to, because we really felt like her experience was really valuable here for us.
Right after my time here at the Contemporary, I got an offer to go back to the UMA Sculpture Garden and Museum. I started as an intern through the art admin minor. I moved up to an assistant, and now I became interim program manager. What I do right now and what I hope to do forever is community engagement and/or event programming. I'm big on accessibility to the art and showing kids career possibility in the art, so I hope to just inspire the next generation. It has been invaluable, everything that I've learned in this program. UT connected me with so many people with so many opportunities that I could have not gotten anywhere else.